Are you a business owner looking for good terms on a business loan to expand your business, purchase additional real estate, build onto your existing facility or property, or you need funds to buy out a competitor? Hi, I'm Mike Wright with bizfundfirst.com and Foresight Business Funding. I'm doing this presentation in case you need financing on your next project. If you need $500,000 to $40 million for a real estate project, business expansion, or business acquisition, we have several lenders that might be a match for you. We're still seeing some very reasonable rates, 3.5% to 7%, depending on your industry and your financial profile. If you need an SBA real estate loan and need it financed quickly, we have a partner who can get you funded typically in 4 to 5 weeks. Of course, it depends on the appraiser, but generally 4 to 5 weeks. And these are SBA terms. For most deals, expect about 8 weeks once we get your paperwork. If you're in the Midwest, we often can get conventional financing that can save you fees, time, and paperwork. We have relationships with some very friendly lenders who will lend good rates for gas stations, hotels, convenience stores, grocery stores, entertainment centers, rural, and more. So, you can look to us to be, we're fast, we're reliable. We like to solve problems. So not every deal has to be a cookie cutter vanilla deal. We can get you up to 93% LTV. There's no additional collateral at or below 85%. We can handle challenging credits, and we can do projection-based loans. So if you're a young company, we should be able to help you there too. So let me outline some deals that that we have seen done the past 12 months or so with our financing partners. This can give you an idea of what our capabilities are, and if you should, if you have a project that looks similar to these, give us a call and run it by us, and we'll see what we can do for you. First is pretty basic, like manufacturing company. They need 4.75 million for construction on a new building. They need to purchase some new equipment so they can increase orders with their existing customers, and then they also we're going after some larger orders that need more capacity. Family recreation center. This is a smaller town. 1.3 million to purchase an existing structure. They were doing quite a bit of rehab to that structure, and when it was completed, it was basically a whole new facility. The owner, he had challenged credit, but he also has successful history in this type of business. So our lender, was very happy to work with them. And so far it's been successful. Gas station, 950,000 to purchase existing gas station, convenience store, in an up and coming growing suburb. This was down south. Liquor store acquisition, 1.65 million. There's an existing business, great cash flow, and it included the real estate. So that was a very easy, quick deal. If you have something like this, and you already know, you'd like to talk to us, see what we might be able to do for you, just click the schedule now button down below, or give us a call at 317-589-0118. If you look on our schedule and you don't see a good time, just call me directly. And I'll often meet after hours or early in the morning, but that's by appointment only. So here's some details, some things you might need to know to see, if we're a fair fit for you. And both these are SBA, or they could be conventional. Loan amounts from 500,000 to 20 million. I mentioned 40 million before. We can go up 40 million to 100 million. I mean, we have lenders for everything, but what we're discussing today, it's going to fit mainly into the, business buyout, business real estate realm, which is going to be, $500,000 to $20 million. LTVs, most lenders want 80%. We can go up to 93%. There's no additional collateral if you're under the 85% LTV. Rates are going to be 3.5 to 7. Rates are bumping up right now, so we're still seeing 7. Repayment terms 10-year to 25-year, depending on if it has real estate or not. Usually takes 5 to 8 weeks to get your funds to close. We can work with most industries: gas stations, liquor stores, hotels, motorsports, daycares, and all the easier ones, manufacturing and warehousing, doctors' offices, things like that. Those are pretty clean cut. Everybody wants those type of, everybody wants you if you're in those industries. So we consider challenge credit. It varies by lender. That will, reduce the competitiveness. So you're not going to get as good terms, but we can get it done so you can get your business rolling and making money. Startups are okay. Projection-based loans are okay. We can work with rural properties if it's in the Midwest. We have lenders happy to do rural. If it's other Georgia, we have a lender that likes rural down there. If it's anywhere in the country, we have USDA lenders that you have to be a little patient if we have to use USDA, but it's available to you, and there's a lot of benefits to that, but it takes time. We can do development, multifamily, construction, and we've done some interesting projects. So if you haven't something that's out of the box, give us a call or send it to us through our website. We have multiple lender types to fit your industry and geography. Banks and financial institution, private lenders, they tend to work with industries that they've worked a lot with, because they know how to filter out what they think isn't going to work and what will work. So something that might seem risky to one doesn't seem risky to an institution who's has the experience of lending into that industry. Basic items that are needed: profit and loss, balance sheet, 3-year tax returns, your business plan, projections. That's mainly for startups. If you have enough cash flow or you're buying an existing business, they'll usually just go off those. So again, our number. Appreciate you watching this video. If anytime you have questions about any type of business loan, we have thousands of lending sources, from short-term money to SBA real estate to conventional. Our number is 317-589-0118, or visit us at bizfundfirst.com. Thank you for watching. If you have time, please subscribe and please like our video.